home. River softly breathing slow under skies that barely glow. Windows shining through the rain like a distant memory lane. Every shadow drifting by beneath the dark European sky. Feel the silence in the air, old reflections everywhere. Not too fast and not too slow, just the way the night should flow. Lights along the river, moments lasting forever. Every road, every line feels suspended out of time. Lights along the river, soft and warm forever. In the rain, in the glow, there's a place I wanna know. Bridges stretching through the dark, holding every fading spark. Every second feels so wide, with the river by my side. Streetlights painted gold and blue, on the roads I'm drifting through. Every moment pulls me in to the calmness deep within. Through the silence, through the rain, there's a beauty in the pain. Every sound begins to blend like a loop that never ends. Lights along the river, moments lasting forever. Every road, every line feels suspended out of time. Lights along the river, soft and warm forever. In the rain, in the glow, there's a place I wanna know. We don't rush and we don't run, we just fade beneath the sun. Every mile, every turn, there's a feeling we can learn. Let it stay, let it flow. Through the streets I used to know. Is falling soft tonight, golden lamps and silver light. Every stone beneath the rain feels like echoes call my name. River moving dark and slow through the streets that softly glow. Every moment feels so wild, with the midnight by my side. Feel the silence, feel it near, old reflections everywhere. Not too fast and not too slow, should flow. Rain on the old streets, under faded city dreams. Every road, every line feels suspended out of time. Rain on the old streets, soft reflections in the deep. In the air, in the glow, there's a place I want to know. Windows shining through the haze, like forgotten yesterdays. Every shadow drifting slow through the streets I used to know. Bridges stretching through the dark, holding every fading spark. Every second feels alive in the way the lights arrive. Through the silence, through the rain, there's a beauty in the pain. Every sound begins to blend, like a loop that never ends. Rain on the old streets, under faded city dreams. Every road, every line feels suspended out of time. Rain on the old streets, soft reflections in the deep. In the air, in the glow, there's a place I want to know. We don't rush and we don't run, we just fade beneath the sun. Every mile, every turn, there's a feeling we can learn. Keep it moving soft and slow, where the river lights still glow. Midnight drifting through Praha, river breathing in the dark. Golden windows softly fading, like a distant glowing spark. Every bridge across the water holds a memory in the rain. Every shadow moving slowly, like a song that still remains. Through the silence, through the night, there's a warmth beneath the light. Not too loud and not too low, just the way the city flows. Midnight over Praha, falling softly from the sky. Every road, every line feels suspended out of time. Midnight over Praha, where the old reflections shine. slowly through the haze. Every moment pulls me deeper into faded golden days. And through the echoes, through the rain, there's a beauty in the pain. Every sound begins to blend like a loop that never ends. Midnight over Praha, falling softly from the sky. Every road, every line feels suspended out of time. Midnight over Praha, where the old reflections shine. In the rain, in the glow, there's a place I wanna know. We don't rush and we don't run, we just fade beneath the sun. Every mile, every turn, there's a feeling we can learn. Let it stay and let it flow. Through the streets I used to know. Soft radio through the rain, golden lights along the lane. Every sound begins to flow like a place I used to know. River moving dark and slow, under lamps that softly glow. Every moment pulls me in to the calmness deep within. Feel the silence, feel it near, old reflections everywhere. Not too loud and not too slow, just the way we let it flow. Moves in perfect time. Stay beneath the rain tonight, where the river meets the sky. In the air, in the glow, there's a place I wanna know. Bridges stretching through the haze, like forgotten yesterdays. Every shadow drifting slow through the streets I used to know. Windows glowing warm and low. Through the rain the colors flow. Every second feels so wide, with the midnight by my side. Through the silence, through the rain, there's a beauty in the pain. Every sound begins to blend like a loop that never ends. Stay beneath the rain tonight, under faded golden lights. Every road, every line moves in perfect time. Stay beneath the rain tonight, where the river meets the sky. In the air, in the glow, there's a place I wanna know. We don't rush and we don't run, we just fade beneath the sun. Every mile, every turn, there's a feeling we can learn. Let it stay and let it flow through the streets I used to know. Echoes drifting on the river, golden lights begin to shiver, every shadow fading slow, like a dream I used to know. Rain is falling soft and low, through the streets that gently glow. Every moment lingers on, even when the night is gone. Still the rhythm softly stays in the dim and distant haze. Every sound begins to fall, but I'm still within it all. Echoes on the river, moments lost forever. Every road, every line, life's beyond the edge of time. Echoes on the river, soft reflections shimmer in the rain, in the glow. We just let the feeling flow. Windows glowing far away, like forgotten yesterday. Every second feels so wide, with the river by my side. Old bridges beneath the rain, holding pieces that remain. Every moment feels so real, in the way I start to feel. Through the silence, through the haze, there's a calm inside the gray. Every echo softly blends, like a loop that never ends. Echoes on the river, moments lost forever. Every road, every line, life's beyond the edge of time. Echoes on the river, lights remain the same, every shadow turning pale, like a softly told farewell. River breathing far below, with a rhythm soft and slow. Every moment drifting wide, with the silence by my side. In between the dark and dawn, something tells me it's not gone. Every mile, every line lives beyond the edge of time. Before the river meets the dawn, after one more night is gone, every dream we left behind still is living in my mind. Before the river meets the dawn, soft reflections linger on, all the roads we couldn't keep stay with us in quiet sleep. Golden windows losing light, turning slowly into white. Every bridge beneath the rain still is calling out my name. Every second feels so real, in the way the old streets feel. Not too lost and not too found, just a world without a sound. Every step and every street carries something bittersweet, like the night won't let me go till I feel it one last flow. Before the river meets the dawn, after one more night is gone, every dream we left behind still is living in my mind. Before the river meets the dawn, soft reflections linger on, all the roads we couldn't keep stay with us in quiet sleep. We don't say goodbye tonight, we just fade into the light. Every ending, every start, live forever in the heart. We'll be driving once again through the streets of old Praha. Let it stay and let it flow, like the nights we used to know.